Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the summer FabFitFun box. So if you want to see what I got in my box, then just keep watching. So I did just recently get the summer FabFitFun box. I guess if you watch my videos to address the elephant, I dyed my hair and cut it. Oh my god. I cut 8 inches off. Whew. Okay. Anyways, so let's go ahead and get into the box. I just got the box in the mail. They no longer have the book fully like they do. Hold on. I'm getting ahead of myself. If you want the FabFitFun subscription, I believe it's 50 something, and it is every season. So this is the summer box. So they still include the pamphlet in here, but they no longer have prices. So when I scrolled, they have like everything that could have come in the box, but there's no longer prices on here. And it said it has a QRV or CRV or whatever it's called code to pull it up and basically download the app. So I have the app over here so we can talk about the products. It comes with, you know, all of your coupons and stuff. So you have a HelloFresh coupon, a FabFitFun coupon. So if you want a box, you can use that code, whoever is first to use it. I don't get anything for it. I think it just gives you $15 off. So if you want it. There is a wine coupon. Oh, a $45 credit to Bright Cellars. I don't drink wine, but I might have to get this for my husband. I'm actually allergic, so yeah, that sucks. All right, let's go through the box. So there is some products you're able to pick, which actually I think now, if I remember reading it, you can fully customize this if you want to. So I did pick a couple of things and then some things I didn't pick. And it still says like surprise me. So how am I supposed to know? This is the part I don't understand, is it only shows me some items. So I can't figure out how to see how much the other items were. Let's just dive in. So the first thing we have is like, I guess it's like a kit. It says a bundle. So this, and this were all like a bundle, I guess, which is weird because they don't go together, but it's a bundle for these 3 things. It says that are $55 for all 3 of them. But literally it's a lip product, a foot thing, and ice cube thing. So I don't know why they would go together, but okay. So this is from the brand Blush. It's a pineapple shaped ice mold. I think this is, hold on. I know nobody wants to hear the crinkle of the paper. I think this is adorable. So it's like one of those silicone molds that you can just easily bend, which is my favorite because they're easier to pop out. But then they're in the shape of pineapples and it's just this like cool teal color. I think this was really cute, especially for like the summer season to put in like your drinks. This is adorable. And that's one thing that I kind of really like about getting subscription boxes is they're items that I would enjoy, but I'd never go out of my way to purchase. So that's one reason I really like subscription boxes. The other thing in this kit is a lip mask by Serum. I don't know. Ooh, it smells really good. Ooh, she's thick. You're not gonna, I have something on my lip. Ooh, that feels really hydrating just on the back of my hand. This is gonna be nice. It says it's a fruit butter lip mask. An intensive overnight lip mask that envelops the lips with shea butter and apricot kernel oil to help deliver intense hydration, softness, and elasticity while you sleep. That sounds, whoa, what happened to the lighting? I think this sounds really, really nice. Why am I putting it back in the box? Because I need hydration. Like I drink a crap ton of water, like a lot. And yet I still have really, really dry lips. So this will be nice for me. And then the other part of the collection is from Barefoot Scientist. See, I wish these were all separate so I knew how much it cost, but whatever. So it's a smooth over thing. It's a pedicure file. So that's nice. It's smooth on one side. Oh, come on. I hate the lighting. It's smooth on one side and then got kind of bumps on the other, but both sides are definitely the file. This will come in handy. My heels get so bad in the summer, and you know, pedicures are expensive. So if I have something at home to do it myself, that's actually really nice. Again, I don't know how much it costs. I'm sure it's probably only like 10 to 20 bucks. You could probably find one on Amazon. But again, it's not something I'd go out and buy, but I definitely would enjoy having it. So this is really nice. Okay, so that's that collection. Let's move on. So something I did opt for is the Living Proof dry shampoo. This is $26. I love this dry shampoo. I actually already have it and I'm almost out of it. I have the bigger version. So this that it came with is 4 ounces and I have a 7.3 ounce one. So I was almost out with this. So when I saw that it was on the website as an option, I definitely picked it up because they're expensive. Like, I don't know. I mean, $26 I guess isn't bad, but in my mind, I hate spending that much on dry shampoo. I like the $10 to $12 ones, but this product is so nice. Like, it doesn't really give you a white cast as long as you apply it correctly. It will give you a white cast if you just go in and spray, but if you shake it up and then like spray further away and not apply too much, it doesn't give you a white cast. Like, I have almost black hair and it doesn't give you a white cast. And then sometimes when my hair is really greasy, I will spray a crap ton of this on when it where it gives me the white cast and then sleep on it. Oh, and my hair looks so good the next day. So I love this stuff. Okay, what else did I pick? So these are all the items I picked that I'm telling you right now. And then the rest are the surprise me. So this I picked, oh, who's the brand? Flight Mode High. I think Flight Mode High is the brand. But it's called the, yeah, it is. Flight Mode Skincare is the brand. It's the high altitude hydration mask. I just need hydration. So when I was asking the options, this was just one of them that I would have preferred because it gives you a selection of maybe 4 or 5 that you get to pick from. But it just says it's a hydration mask for all skin types to boost hydration, sit back and relax. Oh, it's a leave-on mask. Ooh, I didn't even notice that. No wash off necessary. So it's kind of like a good overnight mask to put on. I need hydration. If you want me to do kind of a follow-up, because a lot of this has to do with skincare, if you want me to do a follow-up on them to see how they've worked, let me know and I can do that. But that retails for $39. Another item that I picked, did I really? I've been like trying to convince myself to get into skincare because I need it. I'm getting old. And so I think I picked a lot of skincare items. So the next one is a, oh my gosh, Sensuals, is that how you say it? Sensuals Vitamin C Serum. So this is what it looks like. But it just says it's a facial serum with vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and Edelweiss plant stem cells. I don't know. I've been just trying to convince myself to get into skincare more. So hopefully this will help. I've heard vitamin C is really good for you. So we'll see. How much is this? This is $45. So she better be good. Hopefully. Okay, another item that I picked is some resistance bands. I need to get into fitness more and I'm trying to be healthier. So I bought these. They're from the brand Obi, I think. Obi. But they are the hip bands, it says. And they're also, oh, it comes with a 2-month membership subscription. So it looks like they retail for $75, $74. I don't know if that is the price of the bands or if that's the bands plus 2 months of a membership. But these are the 2 bands, I would assume, because that's expensive for 2 bands. So you have a medium and an easy, I believe it says. Yeah, a light band and a medium band. So the light band is equivalent of 15 pounds and the medium is equivalent of 20 pounds. So I got these. Hopefully I can convince myself to actually use them. Okay, the last product is also something that I selected because I definitely need something like this. I just can never convince myself to purchase one, only because, one, they're expensive, but also I hardly use skincare. So even though I'm trying to convince myself to use skincare more, the thought of purchasing something this expensive when I don't really use skincare just doesn't make sense. So it is from the brand PMD Beauty, and it is a clean device, so a smart facial cleansing device. in teal. It says it retails for $99. I bought one of these a long time ago for like $20 from some brand, and it was okay, but it honestly sucks, and I never use it, and I hate the brushes, I hate the brush, it's a no for me. So I've been wanting to get something that's kind of like this, where it's almost like a silicone, so you just wash the brush itself. But again, I just haven't been able to convince myself to buy it. So it looks like this is what it looks like. It kind of looks like that though. So it says that it has soft bristles on the front. Ooh, the back is kind of like ribbed. Oh, come on. My lighting. There we go. And it says that you can use that to massage serums into your skin. The whole thing is waterproof. It's got an ergonomic design. And then batteries. Oh, it came with a battery. That's nice. What is this? Is this just what I sit it in? How cute! For it to stand up on your counter. Oh, that's, oh, adorable. But it also came with a battery. That's not normal. That's nice. How do I put the battery in? So it looks like it only takes one triple or double A, which is pretty nice. Okay. I would like this in a different shape. So it's got 4 speeds. I don't know if you could hear it. So it's just kind of got your light speed, a more intense vibration, and then it's got a pulse one, and then a faster pulse. I don't know, there's not really any instructions. Oh, here we go. Unscrew the, oh, that's how to put the battery in. Use twice daily, use the, oh, it's an anti-aging massager is what they claim the back part is for the serums. Oh, serums and moisturizers. I wonder if maybe there's something on their website that says how they suggest using like the different speeds, because on the box it doesn't say anything. But that is really nice. Wait a minute. Oh, 1 year. It's got a 1 year limited warranty, so that's actually kind of nice. But yeah, it's so cute. And no, I didn't just make a dildo reference earlier. But I'm really excited to have that, especially because, again, I really wouldn't have wanted to spend the money for $100 when I could just buy 50 and get it included in this. So this is really, really nice. That is all the products that is in my box, but I'm kind of confused because when you go to their website, I'll put a screen insert. Hold on, let me record my screen for you so that I can show you. I'm really confused because if you look, if you scroll down, it shows you to explore your box. So it shows you the things I got, but then at the bottom, it has 6 items that say surprise me. So was I supposed to get 6 more items? I'm confused. Okay, this is only my 3rd box with FabFitFun. So if you have used the box more, can you tell me, am I supposed to be getting 6 more items? Like, what's the surprise me? If I click on it, nothing happens. It just says undefined. Was I supposed to get more? Because to be honest, besides this, I feel like I've got a lot less this time. Well, maybe not. I guess I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items. But 1 item was considered, but 3 items, I guess, was considered a bundle. So I only got 6 items. I don't know, I really want to contact them because I'm confused. Like, there's nothing else in here. So I almost feel like I was supposed to get more. Because yeah, 6 items does seem kind of weird. Because I feel like I got more than that the other times. If you know FabFitFun better, let me know. Was I supposed to get 6 more items? But yeah, I'm still happy with the box. I definitely feel like it was more geared towards skin tone or skin products than just summer stuff, but I'm not mad at it. So yeah, that is all I have for the video though. If you want me to continue doing FabFitFun boxes when I get the next one, which I believe will be fall, which is my favorite season, let me know and I will continue doing them. But that is all I have for this video. So thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one.